I will walk you through how to export and import PST files into New Outlook. At the time of this video, PST files, also known as Outlook data file, has partial functionality in New Outlook. For now, you need to export your PST files using Classic Outlook, then import it into New Outlook. I will show you two easy ways. Method 1 uses the default account name, and the other lets you customize the name, which is especially helpful if you are, importing more than one PST file. Now, stay connected. Microsoft is planning to expand PST support in future updates, and I will have separate videos with those new features as they become available. Let's get started. To export your PST files, we have to go to Classic Outlook. And let's go there. I'm going to search Classic and open up the app. Click on File, Open and Export. Choose Import and Export. Export to a file and click Next. Choose Outlook Data File. Click on Next. Now, a couple things that you should be aware of. I do not recommend that you export the entire mailbox for any of your accounts because currently you do not have access to your calendar events or contacts. Also be aware that any rules that you have assigned to any of your messages, they will not be transferred over as well. So I'm going to choose a folder. Notice that this folder does have subfolders. I'm going to make sure that this is selected. Now, just be aware, for advanced, if you want to choose certain words, out of that folder, or if it's from or sent to, you can filter on that, especially if you have a very large mailbox. There's more choices. Let's say if you're looking for something that does have a category that you want to just pull over into your PST file. So you do have that option, and I'm going to just close this. And I'm going to click on Next. Now here I'm going to save that folder. Notice that it has the social media back PSTs. And I'm going to say, do not export any duplicate items. And the reason why I'm choosing this is because if for any reason I have these files already available, I don't want them to be included. So it's just going to help minimize the capacity size of your mailbox. And I'm going to hit Finish. Don't want to give it a password? I don't. If you want to, you can go ahead and fill this section in and press OK. Let's go to New Outlook. It doesn't matter where you are in your mailbox. Let's go ahead and you can click on View Settings, and choose Files. Notice that I already have some ODF files here already. I'm going to click on Add a File. I save it to my document folder, and I'm going to open. Now, the reason why you have that default file name, and so you don't really know what's in there, you can click on the Manage folder. You can see the path and the name that is listed here. And I'm going to close this out. Look at my left navigation, and there it is. Now, again, for me, because I've added multiple accounts, I don't know which one is which. And so I'm going to show you the second method. To remove this, I'm going to click on Manage File. Make sure I got the right one. I do, and I'm going to click Remove. Let's go back to Classic. We have already exported the file. Let's go ahead and click on the File tab, Account Settings, choose Account Settings again, Data Files tab, and we're going to click on Add. When we add, I'm going to find my file. There it is, social media, and hit OK. Notice that the file name is media, social media. That has nothing to do with what appears for the account. We have to make this next step. Notice, see how the default name came there? If you double click on it, now you can change that account name and hit apply. Let's go back to New Outlook. Click on View, View Settings, Files, Add a File, and let's choose it. Notice this time around, I do have that account name. Let's close this, and we see that account name in the left navigation. Here are some more PST videos that you may find helpful. Now, go work your magic.